Curtains dancing in the light, golden hours shining bright. Dust like diamonds in the air, lazy moments that we share. Coffee cooling by your side. Nothing here we need to hide. No rush pulling at the day. We just let the silence stay. Velvet afternoon silence, wrapped in quiet compliance. Hearts are beating slow and true. Every second feels brand new. Velvet afternoon silence, no resistance, no defiance. Just your shadow next to mine, floating gently out of time. Sunlight resting on your face, softest smile, unspoken grace. Outside the world keeps moving fast, but in this room we let it pass. Every breath a peaceful wave. Nothing here we need to save. Time dissolves in shades of gold. In this calm our hands unfold. Velvet afternoon silence, like a tender science. Every look a quiet clue. All I see is you. Velvet afternoon silence, safe in soft reliance. Stay, stay, don't let the daylight fade too soon. Here, in this gentle afternoon. All the noise turns into guidance. In your warmth I feel aligned, body, heart and mind. Velvet afternoon silence, love without the violence. Just a calm we both can find. In the slow unwind. Slow afternoon, curtains dancing in the light, golden hours shining bright. Dust like diamonds in the air, lazy moments that we share. Coffee cooling by your side. Nothing here we need to hide. No rush pulling at the day. We just let the silence stay. Velvet afternoon silence, wrapped in quiet compliance. Hearts are beating slow and true. Every second feels brand new. Velvet afternoon silence, no resistance, no defiance. Just your shadow next to mine, floating gently out of time. Sunlight resting on your face, softest smile, unspoken grace. Outside the world keeps moving fast, but in this room we let it pass. Every breath a peaceful wave. Nothing here we need to save time. Dissolves in shades of gold. In this calm our hands unfold. Velvet afternoon silence, like a tender science. Every look a quiet clue. All I see is you. Velvet afternoon silence, safe in soft reliance. Stay, stay, don't let the daylight fade too soon. Here, in this gentle afternoon. All the noise turns into guidance. In your warmth I feel aligned. Body, heart and mind. Velvet afternoon silence, love without the violence. Just a calm we both can find. In the slow unwind. Slow afternoon, curtains dancing in the light, golden hours shining bright, dust like diamonds in the air, lazy moments that we share, coffee cooling by your side. Nothing here we need to hide, no rush pulling at the day. We just let the silence stay. Velvet afternoon silence, wrapped in quiet compliance. Hearts are beating slow and true. Every second feels brand new. Velvet afternoon silence, no resistance, no defiance. Just your shadow next to mine, floating gently out of time. Sunlight resting on your face, softest smile, unspoken grace. Outside the world keeps moving fast, but in this room we let it pass. Every breath a peaceful wave. Nothing here we need to save time. Dissolves in shades of gold.